Alright folks, welcome back. What about this? Hope everybody's catching a few fish these days. So this is a wee fly, simplest wee caddis pattern. Wee sedge, deer wing sedge. Did well on the other night with it. So that's a wee short shank, 12 hook in the vise. So it's more like a 14. That's it there. Their thread, it's olive thread, UTC and 70. So just get that started behind the eye. Run your thread, place the thread down to the rear, to about there, just where your barb is. So, dubbing, I'm going to use this. That's a bug yarn. So it's got like a browny, tinsley hair, I don't know, strands. It's just a scraggly body type, but makes a great wee body. You can use any dubbing you like. You can use hare's ear. There's just any dubbing of your preference. But for this one, I like this. So I'm gonna get this pinched in at the back. Take this round the bend a touch. You'll see I don't know if you can see, there's a wee bit of gold flash in there as well, which I like. So take this round the bend, which I like doing, and then take it back. Take it back to about there. So start off with it loosely wrapped. Thank you. And then once I get up under the bend, under the top of the shank, start to twist. I twist this, so if you're using dubbing on your thread, you may want to just start to tighten down on it. So it just tightens it up on the body. So there's no rib or anything on this, just a couple of different materials. So get that twisted on. Take out that about there and get that caught in. So that's the body done. No rib, just gonna keep it simple. It should last. That's pretty durable wee body on it anyway. So get my magnifying glass out of the road. I'm gonna take this in a wee touch if I can. Right, there we go. So get that thing. So next, I use coastal deer hair. So take a small pinch, a pinch that suits you. If you like it heavy, put it on heavier. If you like it just a wee fine wing, keep it like that. I like to keep it delicate, so especially in low water. So what I did is cut it off, and then before I put it in the stacker, I just brush through so that the fibres are come apart. So that's all I'm using there. Don't know if you can see that there, if I roll it out. That's all I'm using. So we'll get this caught, and I don't like the wing being too far over the back. About there is fine for me. Just hold it nice and tight, pinch and loop, pinch and loop, and just tighten down. And then I just like to come forward, basically up to the eye. So forget about everything at the minute. Take everything up, everything back. Get a couple of turns in behind the eye, or sorry, at the front of the deer hair. Aye, behind the eye. Too early in the morning for me. So come in your whip finish tool. Try and take everything back. Get a few whip finishes in there. Get that caught. Tighten down on that. Snip away our thread. Come in with your varnish. Take everything back, just a wee small dab, folks. varnish in there just to seal that up. Come in with your dubbing needle. Make sure your eye's clear. I can see it, my eyes are getting worse, and I'm using a magnifying glass. So, get rid of my dubbing needle. Now it's time to do a bit of hairdressing. So, bring everything forward. My son's a barber, I should tie these and then just drop them up to him. Right, bring that all forward off the eye like this, and then come in with a sharp pair of scissors, and just basically what I do is I come down to the eye, snip upwards. And just try and get that wee head as neat as you can, folks. Any wee stragglers you see are pointing backwards. Just take them away, pull them out. That's it. Wee strays pointing back a ways there. Sorry, I just went out of focus. Right, we're back. So, any wee strays, just get rid of them. All you're basically doing, folks, once you're happy with your tidy up, and that is it. Probably spend more time off camera just getting that nice and tidy. But basically, in a nutshell, that's the fly, that's the top profile. So, just take that out. Hope you can see. That's what the face will see, folks. Sorry about the... There you go. That's what the face will see. Just that wee caddis wing. And that is it. Folks, hope that helps you out. Plenty of caddis about at the minute. Sedges. Just change your colours up for whatever's on your river. Sedges. And you'll not do any better than that wee fly. If you want a wee bit more buoyancy, just add a hackle in the front. If you want me to tie one in on the channel, I'll tie one up with a wee hackle and a wee bit of Vantron onto the wing. So thanks for watching, and give us a wee like and a subscribe if it's worth it. Thank you. See you in the next one.